Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a BONK update, and there are some few new discoveries that I've actually gone to check, and I've been rechecking the whole coin again one more time. I did try to short it off yesterday, but it started breaking up again, and I had to reanalyze the whole coin one more time. And there's something that is going on definitely with the coin itself. If my internet kinds of work again, let's actually, okay, thank goodness, right? So the internet is back again, I guess. So yeah, the thing is, it does seem to me that BONK is probably not interested to go down, and if we kind of like look for an entry, maybe 1971 can actually be a good stop. So on this time right now, what you're doing is you have already broken this resistance which I talked about yesterday, that if BONK tries to go back up again, you can actually try to open up a short position, but we try to do that right at the resistance, and to our unluck, bad luck, you can call it a bad luck, it actually broke above the resistance, and I knew that something is bullish about it. And by the way, if you start to go back up again from there, then this one can actually go to 2307. I think this is going to be a further big push of 13% to the upside. Now, that is still not enough, but there's one very interesting thing that I want to show you on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, I actually noticed this today, and I just don't know how is it that I didn't see this before, that I've actually seen it right now. And this is so accurate, so precise, and it is something very, very interesting to you if I actually lay it down. So there is a trend line, and if you take that trend line right in there, we have seen that BONK actually broke the trend line, right? So here it is, and it would actually be very, very safe to assume that BONK is on a journey to move 100 or 200% to the upside. It is actually very safe to say that, because that's just how the principles are. You're breaking that downtrend, you break it, and then you start a journey to go back up again. It's just a very, very simple thing. So right now the EMAs are also holding and whatnot. We have like bull crosses, and you can see this is a bull cross. You've gone up, you're coming down, and you're actually retesting. Before, a lot of things didn't actually make a lot of sense to me, but now it does look like the whole story was that this thing was actually breaking from that thing, and I actually didn't notice this. And then we had a double retest in here. Now you're bouncing off again, and it does look like we could actually continue to even go back up above 2500 and move maybe to 3000 one more time. So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love office.